Hello guys, today I have got the Marshall Heston 60 and I'm going to show you how to play radio music in your soundbar. As you can see here, I've got our soundbar in the application called Marshall. Scroll down here, but let me decrease the volume level so that we won't get the copyright strike. Scroll down here to the internet radio and tap it. Now here, as you can see, we've got favorites, history, recommendations, local stations, popular stations, trending, high quality or new stations. Let me tap, for example, local stations. Just tap one and now it's playing right here. I would actually be very pleased to show you this, but I can't actually because of the copyrights, so yeah. But that's how it works. Goodbye.